Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the app. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we even get started. Go ahead and click that bell right next to it so you can meet me on the app whenever I upload a new video. So let's just get started. I went ahead and collaborated with NatrurAll Club to go ahead and bring you guys this video. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the deep conditioner comes in, and I believe the solution that I got was the dry solution. I will say this, I was away for a week when this got shipped to me, so I didn't put this in the freezer, but the directions is once you get the box, you put the box in the freezer once you're ready to use. I didn't do that, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen today, but we're gonna go ahead and do this video anyways. So when you first open up the box, the first thing you see is the welcome to the club card. So this is the little card that you get, and this is the back with all the directions and everything like that on it. Then the box also includes a spray bottle, and you also get a shower cap. I believe this right here is the serum. You get a hair tie, which is covering this. It looks like a little ad. It does say Happy Mother's Day on it, so it's probably a little ad in here. And then you get your solution. Now, I did already go ahead and open the box. This box did come with two, but I went ahead and put the other one in the freezer since I did not follow directions because I was not in town. So this is what the packaging looks like now. Before it had like a little twisty top at the top, but now it's easy. You just swoop and you're good. So yeah, this is all the stuff that came inside of the box, and I believe this box is their subscription box. So yeah, definitely keep watching this video because there's going to be a giveaway at the end, and you want to stick around for that discount code, okay boo? We are starting on freshly washed hair, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start on this front section for you guys so you guys can have the first see of how this is gonna be in my hair. I'm just gonna section off this section right here, make life easier since I have uneven hair in the front. The ingredients are fresh avocados, water, shea butter, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, honey, glycerin, tea tree oil, lavender essential oils, vitamin E, citric acid, and agar gum. That's what we're working with, and the consistency is a little thick, but it has like a whipped consistency. So I'm gonna start with my ends first. So upon applying it first to my hair, it is really smooth, and the product is not like sitting on top of my hair shaft. It's actually working its way into the hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, and my fingers are actually gliding pretty easily through my hair. So, and for the sake of this video, I didn't really detangle in the shower just so I could see what kind of slip and detangling I was gonna get with this. And honey, it is detangling like nobody's business, and it feels soft, like really applying it to my hair. The slip is like, you see that? There go the slip. Very easy. Like, my hair feels like butter right now. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I'm not sure if you can see what the product looks like in my hair, but it is really soft. Like, this is nice. Me like. I'm gonna go ahead. I honestly don't even feel like I need to use a comb, but I'm gonna just go ahead and demonstrate with the comb so y'all can see that I'm not lying with this detangling. Y'all see that? Hello somebody. Ew. I'm in shock. My hair never detangles that easily, so that's what's up. So far so good. I like. So there we go. We got this little first section, and I'm just gonna demonstrate again with this product. I'm actually very impressed right now. So far so good. The real test is when I have to rinse this out of my hair to see if this softness is still gonna be here, cause Canon says it's monkey palm lah. No, seriously guys. Oh, I'm sorry, I just fucking I just said, like, I'm pretty much in amazement right now. Like, I'm shocked. Like, the slip is amazing, and the detangling, it detangles your hair on site. Like, alright, so the shower cap that they provided for me, putting this right over my head, and I'm gonna just let this sit for about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so I just got done rinsing out the conditioner out of my hair, and this is what my hair is looking fresh out the shower. I haven't even like dried it yet, so just gonna dry it just a little bit here. Okay, and I'm gonna take this one out, and there you guys have it. Freshly deep conditioned hair. My scalp is actually really clean. My hair is really soft. It also feels strong. It's moisturized. I can feel like the oils still. It's kind of weird because I rinsed it out, but I could still feel like some oils in my hair, which is really good because that means my hair is moisturized. I am thoroughly impressed. Like, yeah. It got a little sheen to it. I don't know if y'all could really tell, but it has a little sheen to it. It's not the water, I promise. It's the actual product that left my hair shiny. Look at that shine. Y'all see that shine? And I have not put anything in my hair yet, so I haven't put any leave-in or nothing. Everything is freshly rinsed. So yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed with this product. So the big question is, should you spend your coins on the NatrurAll Club Avocado Deep Conditioner, whether you have dull hair, damaged hair, or dry hair? What y'all think? What do you think I'm gonna say? Yes, you should spend your coins on this. Like, honestly, I mean, throughout the whole video, you can tell I liked it. Just from the beginning, when I put it on my hair, the slip was A1, day one. Like, the slip was everything. Detangling, finger detangling, honestly, you do not need a comb to detangle your hair using this product. It was very easy for me to finger detangle. Your hair is left soft, your hair is left moisturized, and even after you rinse out the product, your hair is left soft and moisturized and like full of life. It's left with some shine. Like, normally my hair is not shiny after deep conditioning, so this is amazing. Another plus with this product is everything is fresh, everything is organic. There's no fillers in the product, so yeah, honest review, honest opinion. Definitely go check out NatrurAll Club and let them know that Mel sent you. I also will be providing you guys with a discount code, so make sure you check out the description box for the discount code. And I believe I mentioned that there is a giveaway, so if you came all the way to the end of the video, then here you go with the giveaway. A winner will receive a NatrurAll Club solution box, and it will also come with everything that I mentioned that comes in the box, and you can test out the product for yourself. And the hype is real. I was a little iffy about the hype. I've been seeing like commercials and sponsorships on Instagram, like sponsored videos on Instagram, and the hype is real. The hype is, believe the hype for this product, okay? It is that amazing. So I'll leave all the information on how you can win and how you can enter this giveaway, so make sure you check out the description box for all the information on how to win. Make sure you follow NatrurAll Club on Instagram, and that's really it, y'all. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.